What's up, amigos? Welcome back to the Ink Buildup. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my process of ordering t-shirts for my screen print jobs. So amigos, today I'm going to show you guys how I go into ordering from Yazbek. They're the ones that actually buy my blanks here because one, fast service, and it really takes like 2 days for the shirts to arrive here. As well, their quality pretty good. Now, their ordering process might be my favorite because I prefer, go to a website, add to cart, pay total, and that's it, have them shipped to you. But not here. But I'm just going to show you guys how I do it from start to finish. So first things first, we're going to have to jump to the computer to actually place my order. Okay, amigos. So the company I use is Yazbek. The ordering process, the way to do it is, one, I just send them an email with my order where I say what pieces I want. Then they reply with the code. And they tell me to double check, and if everything is correct, to reply to them that everything is correct. And if it is everything correct, the next thing I do is I have to go to the bank and make a deposit to their bank account. Once I do the deposit, I take a picture of the little receipt and I email them back saying here's a picture of the proof that I already made the deposit. If I do that before noon, they'll ship it that exact same day. Now right now it's Monday. I'm going to do the order right now. That way on Tuesday morning, once they open, they'll read the email and they'll send me the code right away. That way I could go to the bank. So I have enough time because I do work. So I have to have like a certain amount of free time to actually go to the bank and start, make the deposit. Everything before 12. That way they could ship it. And with luck, it will arrive on Thursday. So again, here's the company, Yazbek. And yeah, they also ship to the US. I don't know exactly their business, how they work over there, but you can check it out if you want to. But here's their catalog. I do have the catalog, but I don't have the new one with me. And the prices, you can download the prices here. And we're not going to order polo shirts as well as some other shirts for me because I ain't going to be doing the 2-color halftone print. So anyway, so here's their website, but I already have they call it Commando. I don't know exactly, their spreadsheet you could say for to place the order. So let me open that. Where is it? Commando. Actually, yeah, this is the correct one. So let me finish this first. Okay, so let's go to first important the polo shirts because that's the one my boss wants. Here, so white. He wants 13, so 10 medium. For the girl, he wants 3. And for me, I need some shirts for me. I'm gonna do 2 medium blacks. Where is it at? 2. So that gives us a total of 15 pieces only. Oh yeah, forgot to mention this. For Yazbek, to get a wholesale price, you can order 12 shirts. I could order 1 shirt. They'll ship me 1 shirt if I want, but they're gonna give me, retail price. But if you're gonna pay retail price plus the shipping, you might as well get the whole. You might as well get wholesale. Just get 12 shirts. It doesn't matter. I could order literally for example, right here I could order for example, 3 polo shirts. I could order 5 Kiss shirts. I could order 5 more of youth polo shirts. It doesn't matter as long as it's 12. They'll give you a whole price for every single product. So that's pretty cool on them. So I'm basically done here. So I'm going to save this. Exit. I'm going to open it again just to make sure. Okay, yes, good. So now let's go to the email. Here I already have my connection. paste this, you know, my name, you know, I have an order here. Attach the file. Desktop. Oh. You almost saw the preview for my next halftone print. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Open. Okay, and send. So tomorrow morning, once they open, I think they open like around 8 or 9 a.m. I don't remember exactly. They're gonna read the email. They're gonna send me the code. I'm gonna write down the price, and I'm gonna go to the bank. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, amigos, so it's Tuesday morning, and I already got my quote from Yazbek. And the only thing I like to do was to come to the bank and deposit, but as you can tell in the background, there's a large line due to the whole coronavirus scare. They're not letting everybody inside the bank at once. But luckily, I was able to deposit in the ATM, which I did right now. So the only thing I like to do is to go back to my work, take a picture of this, since there's no Wi-Fi here, and I'll send it to the supplier in Acapulco. Then we have to wait for him to actually ship it. So amigos, the shirts are finally here, and I mentioned that you saw when I deposited on Tuesday, I said how like if I were to deposit and take a picture of the receipt and send to them before noon, they'll ship it the exact same day, and it should arrive on Thursday. But that day, on Tuesday in the afternoon, I was waiting for them to send the tracking number, but they didn't. And I thought probably they probably forgot. But then Wednesday came, and I was still waiting, and like around noon, probably like around noon or 1, I decided to actually get in contact with the actual company through their WhatsApp business. How do you say? I don't know. They have their own business on WhatsApp, and I sent them a message asking like what's my status on my order, because I already paid. I was waiting for the shipping. They replied to me with like, what's the order number. I gave to them, and later on, probably like a half an hour later, I finally got the email that the package was finally shipped, which for them it took longer. I don't know why. Probably something happened. So I knew the order was gonna come on Friday, the shirts, and the only bad thing is the shipping carrier that they use. Horrible, man. Cause here I order a lot of things. I've been shipped by DHL, another small packaging service that works with FedEx and UPS and other local here in Mexico packaging carriers. They will always find my address, but for some reason the one that handles Yazbek shirts, they can't find it, and they call me like literally like a few days later. Probably I remember the first time they called me, and I tell I'm just gonna go pick it up. Like it's nearby, and that's why I told if a package comes, I'll go pick it up. Save me the wait for them to actually find my location. But anyway, so yeah, they arrived on Friday. I'm pretty sure, because I even checked the tracking number. They arrived on Friday, but I didn't have time to go pick it up. And Saturday, I thought, well, maybe they'll call me to see, hey, where you at, because you haven't picked it up. But nothing. And again, I didn't have time to go pick it up as well. Sunday, well, nobody works on Sunday. And Monday, which was yesterday, they called me in the morning telling me, we can't find your address. I'm like, yeah, what? And I gave them the details, and they're like, okay, but tomorrow we'll go deliver it. I said, no, I'll just go pick it up. Like, I don't want to wait another day. So I went to pick it up, and yeah. So this, literally, if I go pick it up, it's 2 days. And if they were to actually find my address, it will take 2 days as well. But they didn't even bother. I mean, this package service, horrible. It's called ODM Express here in Mexico. But most likely it's just in my city that they don't do a really good job, because they don't call me. I mean, they call me they had since Friday to call me, and they decided to call me on Monday. Compared to, DHL, FedEx, UPS, those ones, stuff like that here in Mexico, they will always call me that same day and they'll deliver. But enough of that. So yeah, so the shirts are finally here. They all come from Acapulco. That's where they have their little, let's say their how do you say? Not distributor, because it's them. But we could say the warehouse. So that's how it comes. These Yazbek, and they do ship to the U.S. That's why they always have information here in English. You know, like you could call from the U.S. You know, from the other countries, Spanish and English, because they do ship over there. So you just open it, and also, like I see in a lot of like I'm on Facebook groups over there in the U.S. Then if you're gonna get like wholesale shirts for blanks from a company, I guess over there you have to have like your tax ID, business ID, business tax ID, something like that. Here, no worries, man. As long as you get in contact with the actual company, you can buy them. They'll give you wholesale price. They won't ask you for your business name. Nothing. See? I love to smell new clothes. So that's how they write. For example, on the females, when it's female shirts, they change the tag to pink. Got it. Where my black shirts at? There they are. Finally got my dark garments for the 2-color halftone print I'm going to be doing. Anyways. So let me put these aside. I'm not going to print them today. I was going to print them, but I don't have time. I'm only going to cover the pinholes on my screens. By the way, that's all for today's video. Just me showing you guys the process of what it takes for me to actually order my blanks from Yazbek. And again, they have good service. I mean, they send them a message, they'll reply to you right away. For example, on the Gildan, the one that I used, the supplier, literally, if they were, how do you say, give service like Yazbek, literally, if I were to order today, literally, if I were to order them like in the morning, you know, make the deposit, they'll ship it. It'll get here the next day, but they slack on the service, man. And which is a shame, because I really want to get more Gildan shirts, but for them, it takes like about a week for the shirts to actually arrive. Again, this one, 2 days. These are still pretty good shirts, because I just remember when I was in Phoenix, I would see a lot of shirts, and they would have that logo, the Yazbek. And that's when I came here. I was trying to look for some blanks, and finally found them. And luckily, I was able to get in contact on their website. You know, ask them how can I order my shirts. At first, it took me a while to figure it out, but now, piece of cake. Also, I think in Mexico City, there are other distributors that sell Yazbek shirts. Normally, if you get another, like, if you don't buy, for example, that's a company, right? And there's other distributors, you know, you buy from them, but they kind of mark up the little price, the shirts a little bit. But here, no, because I heard that you go to Mexico City, you go to a distributor not associated with the actual Yazbek, but they still give you the exact same whole price if you were to buy from them directly, which is pretty cool. But unfortunately, I'm not in Mexico City. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this video right now. If you have any questions, just drop in the comments below. You know, social media, all that. And right now I'm gonna cover the pinholes from my screen so I can print the shirts. Hopefully tomorrow. So I'll see you guys next time, amigos.